Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. As the temperature rises and the days get longer, it's perfect time to refresh your gym wardrobe with some cute and stylish summer outfits. Whether you are hitting the gym, going for a run, or practicing yoga in the park, feeling good in what you wear can make your workout even more enjoyable. Today we will exploring a variety of cute summer gym outfits that combine functionality with fashion. Let's dive into some stylish and comfortable looks to keep you motivated and chic during your summer workouts. A vibrant tank top paired with high waisted leggings is a classic gym outfit that never goes out of style. Look for tank tops in bright, cheerful colors like neon pink, lime green, or sky blue to add a pop of color to your workout attire. High waisted leggings provide support and coverage, allowing you to move freely and comfortably. Choose leggings with fun patterns or mesh panels for added style. This combination is perfect for a variety of workouts from weightlifting to cardio. For hot summer days, a breathable sports bra paired with biker shorts is a go-to outfit. Sports bras with moisture wicking fabrics will keep you cool and dry during intense workouts. Opt for bras with interesting back designs or bold colors to add a stylish touch. Biker shorts are not only trendy but also practical, offering freedom of movement and preventing chafing. Look for shorts with high waisted designs and side pockets for added convenience. Crop tops and joggers are the stylish and comfortable choice for the gym. Crop tops allow for better ventilation and keep you cool, while joggers provide a relaxed fit that's perfect for warm ups or lighter workouts. Choose joggers with an adjustable waistband and tapered legs for a flattering silhouette. This outfit is ideal for activities like stretching, yoga, or casual gym sessions. Matching sets are a popular trend in gym wear, offering a coordinated and polished look. These sets typically include a sports bra or tank top paired with matching leggings or shorts. Look for sets in fun pattern like tie-dye, animal print, or geometric designs. Matching sets are not only stylish but also convenient, taking the guesswork out of creating a cohesive outfits. They are perfect for making a fashion statement at the gym. For a more relaxed and casual look, oversized tees paired with leggings are a great option. Oversized tees provide a comfortable and laid back vibe, while leggings offer the support and flexibility needed for various workouts. Choose tees with motivational quotes, fun graphics, or bold colors. Noting the tee at the waist can add a touch of style and create a more fitted look. This outfit is perfect for weightlifting, pilates, or casual gym sessions. Strappy sports bras paired with high-waisted shorts are a stylish choice for summer workouts. The strappy designs add a trendy and fashionable element to your gym attire. High-waisted shorts provide coverage and support, allowing you to move confidently. Look for shorts with compression fabric to enhance performance and support. This outfit is ideal for activities like cycling or running. Mesh tops are perfect for summer workouts, providing breathability and a stylish edge. Pairing a mesh top with compression leggings create a function and fashionable look. Compression leggings offer muscle support and improve circulation, enhancing your workout performance. Choose leggings with mesh panels or reflective details for added style. This combination is great for high intensity workouts or outdoor activities. For cooler summer mornings or evenings, a lightweight hoodie paired with short is the practical choice. Hoodies made from a breathable, moisture wicking fabric will keep you comfortable without overheating. Pair them with high waisted shorts for a balanced look. This outfit is ideal for warm ups, cool downs, or outdoor workouts when there is a slight chill in the air.